Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. In right triangle ABC, AC equals A, BC equals B, and angle ABC equals 2x. The goal is to show that tangent x equals A over B plus square root A squared plus B squared. And now for the solution. By Pythagoras theorem, AB squared equals AC squared plus BC squared, or AB squared equals A squared plus B squared. Therefore, AB equals square root A squared plus B squared. Next, extend CB past B to D such that BD equals square root A squared plus B squared. Join A to D. Since AB equals DB equals square root A squared plus B squared, triangle ADB is isosceles, so the base angles are equal. That is, angle ADB equals angle BAD. Now, angle ABC is an exterior angle of triangle ADB. Since an exterior angle equals the sum of interior opposite angles, we have angle ADB plus angle BAD equals 2x. But angle ADB equals angle BAD, so 2 times angle ADB equals 2x. Therefore, angle ADB equals angle BAD equals x. Next, consider triangle ADC. DC equals B plus square root A squared plus B squared. Since the triangle is right angled, tangent x equals AC over DC. Therefore, tangent x equals A over B plus square root A squared plus B squared, completing the proof. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.